everybody, Hillary with Budget to Bougie, and today we are going to Target to try and find the Pixie brand Detoxify eye patches. Now, the Target here in town that I live in, they don't have it, but a town over, apparently they have it. Now, online says they have it. I've had a few instances with Target where I went in after they said online that they have it, and they actually don't, so that's frustrating to me. And also, I apologize for the glare on my glasses. But I'm blind, and if I'm trying to read anything, I literally can't read them without them. So I'm not going to read anything right now, so I'm just going to take them off. But if you knew where I live, they are, I don't live in a farming community, but I live in an area that has a lot of trees. Excuse me. Anyway, yeah, there's a lot going. There's a lot of construction. So all the construction dust and everything, I wake up every morning and I just look like I got the hail beat out of me. So my eyes water constantly. I have to put drops in them. I have to be careful with them, but honestly, I'm super violent with my eyeballs, and I shouldn't be, but you know, being an OAW, it really doesn't matter at this point. I have the fine lines. I have the the deep cut creases, not the cute ones that people can do with makeup. I have permanent ones that you can't get rid of unless you stick a needle in your eyeball, which I'm not going to do. No, ma'am. So we just deal with it, but just, I don't go out a lot with makeup on unless I have to go to work because it just takes too much time. Sometimes I do my eyebrows, but it's super warm today, and I feel like they're just going to... Okay guys, I am headed to Target. My dogs went crazy because my daughter got home, so that was really loud and annoying. But we're headed there now. My neighbors are next door. They're probably staring at me going, what in the hell is she doing? Does anybody just black out when they go to Target? Seriously, I have a thing with this store. Every time I go in, I'm like, okay, I'm here to get eye patches. I'm going to get what I need on my list. I came out with, well, I'll show you what I came out with. These, because they're new, and then my daughter's makeup wipes. I didn't even get the damn eye patches. Someone needs to ban my ass from Target. The only thing I did get on my list was my coffee. I did look for the eye patches, but again, my store, my Target, doesn't have them. And I don't understand why. Left Sephora and got a couple of new things, well, new to me. I'm gonna try them out. But I love it when I'm in Sephora and my daughter calls and goes, hey, what you getting me? You get me something? What's in that basket for me? Good Lord, child. You're gonna make me go broke. All right, on my way home with no air conditioning. Yay, love sweating. Okay, I'm back. Not having air conditioning in my car is the grossest, like disgusting. But I got some things at Sephora. So I picked up the Jouer Rose Gold. It's a lip cream, a topper, and a highlighter. I love myself a highlighter. And then I picked up this for my daughter because she's got some skin issues right now that she wants to try to take care of. So picked up this little guy. The girl at the counter uses this, and she loves this thing right here. What the heck? Blue Tansy. This is her favorite. So hopefully it helps my daughter with her skin. I think she has great skin, but she's like, oh, my skin grows. Teenagers. Okay. Then I picked up her cleaning wipes. What else? Oh, yeah. I picked up Marc Jacobs Youthquake. Okay, so I am almost out of my regular lotion, and I thought, okay, I'm going to pick up something different, and so I picked this up. I've heard nothing but great reviews for this, so I cannot wait to try this out and see how it reacts with my makeup, because sometimes lotion does not work well with products, and what I mean is sometimes if lotion has an oil in it, and you have a silicone-based, if you have an oily, I can't even think what the hell I'm trying to say. If your lotion has oil in it and you try to use a water-based foundation, it will come out like garbage. That's what I was trying to say. Most foundations are silicone-based, so you don't have to worry about that. But sometimes you get that really weird streaky crap going on, and it's super annoying. So I don't think this will be it because I didn't see anything in the ingredients that would actually hint that it would do that. So I'm super excited about that. I was actually going to look at the ounces. Again, I apologize, my glasses, because I'm blind. So, okay, this one has 0.5 fluid ounces, and my regular one has 3, but my regular one isn't cruelty free. I was just trying to use it up to get rid of it and try a new one. So, yeah, Marc Jacobs is 3 times more expensive, but maybe I'll have better results. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to do a video this weekend, maybe, hopefully if I have time. I had a lady stop to me, Miss Ivy stopped me at the store and said she really needs to know how to put product on under her eyes because she has the same problem that I do. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do my ritual and show what I do. It works for me. It might not work for you, but it works for me because I do have a lot of fine lines. I do have these little crevices right here. I have baggy eyelids. I can pull them out like that, and they just, yeah, foreskin. It's disgusting. So I'm going to try to go through my routine and show what I do, and hopefully if you have the same issues that I do, it will help you and work for you. Now I will say that nothing is 100%. If you have fine lines and you have crevices like me, it is what it is. Unless you're filling your face with fillers or Botox or, you know, there's really nothing you can do to have it not fall in there. It's just to minimize it. So I do have tricks that I use that helps minimize it, but at the end of the day, my makeup is going to do whatever it wants, and most of the time it just falls, and it falls into the crevices and the fine lines and everything else, and I expect that because at my age, that's what my skin does, because I don't use fillers and I don't use Botox. I have no problem with people that use that stuff at all, like none. That's just not what I do, and I don't use them, and so I have to find a way to not have my face look like garbage, even though I feel it looks like garbage. Does that make sense? Probably not. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, which is a hodgepodge mess, sorry, just hit the subscribe button. And also, if you want to hear from me, ring the bell. And every time I upload a video, you'll be notified that I'm live and ready to watch. So I hope you guys have a really good weekend. I will talk to you later. Bye.